Michelle Mate.
Oh, Ghana.
Me wa ha rough.
Unyanko abrotre.
Makuaba. But me buy. Debbie.
Uncle count your
Debbie. But me buy chairman Kobe.
Okay. My last release I'm here na yede wa here.
Tugbele.
Achentu refi.
Tugbele.
Eno na wedding day no was no.
Eno na wedding day no was.
My favorite no.
Yeah.
Oh,
but afternoon ye be yin enyum bi mo mbati yam promote.
There wa here no.
Bibini ba.
Eno di two kwan no. Eno na wedding day was.
Wedding day there was
there be before the working.
And wedding
Tugbele no so.
Tugbele no so nice one.
So me kai big papa mo record this and.
Oh.
Me kai pa. Anyway, na me bomma GT oba be ware no. Me bomma is no dimrika PF studio ho.
Just say I do. Would you marry me? Girl, just say I do. I give them all jolomi. I give them all kente. It's your wedding day. It's your wedding day. It's your wedding day. I give them all jolomi. I give them all kente. Many to bring me. Muntu so you me go many so. Miss your baby. Wanna dream. Many to bring me.
Bad.
And you myself, Papa. Oh yeah, and your party mo twa bi agupa.
Yeah, anything.
Enti minim say nyum to wo mu fie.
Yeah.
Ai kai Ghana for.
Yeah, papa na chiri ba do die papa chi pepepe na bo. Found to my bebo mediano. Found to my bebo mediano. Found to my bebo mediano. Nipa one dear woni ewo. On fanning to my boy mediano.
Enti every fie papa ya Johnson.
Just if you fie ton.
Yeah. Enti na ebesi mo so na entwi tuntum okabusuana ho.
Entwi tuntum ye machiri ba mienu. Maame ba ko papa ba ko.
Wo che entwi tuntum.
Pa.
Nene na ye brodi na no ye tuntum.
Ya papa ye kokko ene maame ye tuntum.
Enti mo balance.
Ya che.
I see. Mom and dad that say.
Oh, Debbie. It's unfortunate to say I lose so many.
Oh, Kafra. Now, entry tuntum oko about how many years?
Okay, can 6.
Now, I don't know that day. Send on my project, I'm promoting no coy.
Yeah.
Enti, then you see.
And Okodu and unse krata semne near maybe na ono so no pe near maybe suantino.
No,
Okodu ya pesusian near maybe answer no aba.
But was so say be affect mo career nana.
Oh, unse yesi be nu suami anenso no ye no ye mienu nyina ye ya de ba ko me ni kofi ye chro nyom ye to.
And see, even when you mamma ye na bia mutro like obia through
you be actual on the part say idea ne ba na we actual on the part say we so idea ba na obi actual on the part ntino ye no ye ni sa problem no say artist group bi wo ha we na chro na we na eto na
nti we ni ho na je say
na bi no ba ko na mo abu da bi ye de never
okay nti okoye na how because say wo ha e no no to kwan
on say okoye no nanka asimi kobi nanka menene na eko ba satam na me wo under training kakra na me sua sofudi
na person yes of
yeah
tugusu yan clip ni na be so
yeah na fiti na me was 6 years na sa aboshe ne bae ntino den ya ebeba so
nti okoye no na okọ
obekọ no mu na me se o me nko na mesua de e na okoye me wi no na ja ma hun se me baba.
No, 2 years of the because me cast the gospel be by.
Yeah, me the gospel by me the 3 albums na buy.
3 gospel albums.
Yeah, but I dey ba kon work Christo sum say enema ya omofe. But e omuden so mbeboa. Unya hu so wasakra pe obi advice say jade wo ye no na fa hu manya menti de wo ye bia jai why abode afofro but say obi de ne sika be ka say why abode afofro ntino me de support on de da bi nyame nhira nko a nyame nhira so ye mfanti like bill
nyangufu ajato
yemfanti like bill to so am hu modin a no ma be na ye mo ne magu abantin
yemfanti like bill would we go get ofiera say pato yesi nyame nhira benti no bi na mde ba say mde be like bill. There's a physical world that is say physical things not just by word.
Once Ghana han ye sakra ye be dane born again. And you're born again.
But
Chelsea born against. Bibia we bianye. Ntino we say most of the musicians, footballers, obi afanya me pele nya medjuma bi.
No so kan obi na ye bra ofori ampo free alewa.
Send
you. So for nya me na asem ni mo de ba nya me asem. Na be dane alewa.
Won say Nyankopon won. So sakra as every decision you take no. So obi say Nyankopon. But most of the asofo no ofa nyame frɛ no no ɔse ma ɔnya adwuma nti ɔno so sakra ba no ama so agya adwuma but e bia anamo nyame pɛ so ɔno wutu no ɛnya most ɛnya ɔmo but nsɛm a ya yeso yɛtete ne me kra na man sakra nkodi nyame mu anka menim sɛ secular kra anya bɔne na me feel sɛ abonsam sɛm ne yeye no
nti ukom na hu sɛ nti adwuma na wo yɛ no kra na ɛnya
bɔne ba kokra anim bɔne ba kokra anim
nti ene na hu sa na adenti na still now no 1 year as of Jumana at the same time not releasing or secular songs because odonyum na obo wedding day and yankopon shira efushia so we shira ware so etisi ya yefro na se ebonyum we ya wo mo adwaman nyom won kan jo bi so ko ro ni pieto o stiti kwan ho
won say sometimes ya na Ghana ha yen hwehwanim enu bi na me ye no hwehwanim ade ye me yenhwe
kafra
ena me ye me yenhwe no yankopon se he masa so we di jagu bonko a memo ahyew
be yourself
well into na quest one poison na wo pese wo kire ba bia mogya mfiri mra if you take wrong decision you don't decide where the blood or where the consequences should come from den ya mogya betu na mom no wo be say two or ba bia wo mpe.
Okay, so you still have on record the 3 gospel albums?
Yeah, ewo ho
e bia first come when you producer
na ne ya ne so okobo show mitimi fi akra okobo show otema obi ya launching owi anu ama wo envelope beba onam kwa so beti anu na 20 Ghana.
Oh, 20 cedis.
Me na make catch
What an insult.
The biggest program am a boy ya yetua me kasika kese.
Oh, enchi.
Oh,
I want for 20 cedis to come from top of
we blow. Ba show ba go pen am boy on ma me 100 Ghana.
Oh, but I didn't work am me rawi.
Masa.
Mo betu cheze kroma po mo betu nyam
so nyam so me yadi. So
is that the reason why I was not secular?
Yeah, I can say it's 30% of my problem.
Why? Because when you have financial support, and you also feel now, say there's nothing wrong with you obeying Amijuma and at the same time releasing your secular.
Oh, okay, Babro, Nyankopon kra was say my men to me dofunyum. Me dofunyum. Okay, the book of Isaiah 5:1 na. Also auto ne dofunyum. Ne dofu a ode na ye ne bobi tro oso adodo ne ho age ne ho nanso ne dofo ne nkoso aba no waso aba bone
na Psalms among for romantic guys no mo Psalms pa mutumi na
songs of songs but when Isaiah
we Isaiah then okay baby no so to me kotu bi no free me na chire no fu aye
Bible na da ho na e nipa brabo Bible e nipa brabo o kind the book of Nehemiah 13:10 so o say esan say Levi for ni sika asese ye de mo moto aduane di na na ema ni ntino mu nyina agya ikodoye nti Bible no e nipa brabo a Nyankopon won hye wo
nti but obi a pick the one that would suit the purpose no did you
sana Ghana 40
okay nti the brand new one from Entry
be the we are see eh yes on the way yeah Entry obi bi ni loving my endo in your dream they don't say juju loving my udo ya te kwakwa they don't say juju loving my if I no see you my baby totinanale oh baby oh my baby loving my baby totinanale oh baby oh my baby oh loving my baby totinanale
say me ba me kashe. O say you me send for me capre. One of me pese me no boku see you ta finti. This year see me dem me chambo. Me mo ba crowd was a chambo. Me hwe ni nyine bi me chambo. Oba ne na no be chambo. Me show ko swana manane. Me di ho agra me nyamane. Who perfect go be so na men sing sound man. Da ye bi na be so me pese me nyane. Oba.
Yes, you want to jive. Boy, Sabasu, when you jaw. My swatting, rain on my yen, my fear drive on, you. If you drive on, Lovina, Edo in your drew. Lovina, Udo Yat me papa. Lovina, if I no see you, my baby, Totinangaling. Oh, baby. Oh, my baby, oh, Lovina, my baby, Totinangaling. Oh, baby, oh, my baby, Lovina, my baby, Totinangaling. My baby, Totinangaling. My baby, Totinangaling. My baby, Totinangaling. It's all about
Lovina. And that's why Lovina. But I know so be our when you mention you follow engineering or monyom no. Unya the feel of engineering in the song, even though in your Belman encounter. Feeling no hope. I say mumu na we are then.
Yeah, one say engineering no idea back because any entry into idea back. Sabaku ni wa obaku betimi asoa.
That's why entry no.
Yeah, because Kofi or US are all shows. Mini Hobart
or the engineering na na.
Yeah, me ti wo ho ni say chale or say horror.
Me all the half of bread there.
Oh, say eden ya.
Ni nua no nti. Bread ye. Na on kai me.
De ba no na ni ketewa bi.
Engine.
Ya mo mpa na ya na ni.
Entutuntum ya feel what? Untumi nya yes Eti usika sem to say why they support a project are we?
Yeah, nyame ayadom nipa o support no nyame anim ni oyamia me bra ne madam for me bibia your friend Mr. Ando.
Okay.
Mr. Ando.
On our supporters are
yeah, Nidin that record label news no.
Okay.
Manes.
Oh, Mr. Ando yeah that's it. Yeah that's it. Boabre ma ye ni abe man nchen.
Yeah, na nyame anim no krani. Da mi ko hia ma mere ho ye. Oso no ye kitwa na opa minyom saa na de anyi.
Oh.
Na ode abehia.
Show Mr. Ando.
Enti no. So we hia me na say nkrofo abubu me na mu a obe straight ya ma me.
Oh, yeah danasi wa ya de.
Tinyame nhira no pa.
Eti anyum no out and is an album.
Dabi. On say na amafo yi on say yeah, we drop a single. But when one just because me person Ghana for say high life no edaso wo yimu. But near be ba ne de.
Okay.
I ha obi ati be.
Enti sesi an e internet so be bia so bi.
Afei na ye twa home videos ne ne ma bia the person by next week there be bia beto ba bia but we dey chenkro for any video ni nyina dey be chenkro for
it dey aka bia video ubi person follow social media contact number bi wo ho and answer bi
yes o call 0262
and no WhatsApp number
yeah WhatsApp number 1062 106534
0262
106534
okay
yeah and oko kwesi ofori entria ubenya me wo
social media
Facebook
I see
and Digali music
Digali inte say dini entry Digali we know bo and that's the pass of by
miss me da mo sepa nya
na sample for it osimunyai na nye mamo another be na be interview masema no
mami nwe video no
okay na say ya launch video wunim na ofie kwan so
me mo bia launch ni ma debe sawa ma minti mechanics nti
o na ni eba ni aloke gate na
so crowd you the lion no ni
Kaseboy is tasty is up next. Bring the Harry Joe Sukusi DJ Himoy Jina Joara Steni. Producer Titi. Vim Lady Eba. Na se wa hada da. Omo de Kaseboy is tasty to amos. Asidan koma you 5 African na Mavis. Titi kwame na ayota. Macron.